Moi everyone and welcome to Finish Your Plate. Finns usually celebrate Christmas on Christmas Eve, so that's when the Christmas dinner is had. A lot of times on Christmas Day you have leftovers for lunch, dinner, even breakfast. So I'm going to make a couple of breakfast items here that are super simple to make with your leftover Christmas ham. First of all, it's my favorite leftover dish, which is the Finnish Christmas ham sandwich. I'm just going to take a piece of rye bread, cut it in half like this, and all we're going to do is we're going to take some cheese. In this case, this is Finlandia Lappi cheese, which is readily available in the US. And now what we do is we just place a piece of ham on top of the sandwich. We'll cut another slice. And place this on top of the sandwich as well. Now to really crown this off is we're going to put some Finnish mustard on top of the ham. Because of course Christmas ham and mustard, they go hand in hand. Here we go. Here's a Finnish ham sandwich. Now for the second sandwich, I'll make a little bit more familiar style for the Americans. I'm going to make it closed faced. So first of all, I'm going to toast these pieces of bread. And while my bread is toasting, I'm going to use my chanterelle mushroom spread over here and spread it on my sweet rye bread. And now we'll just add a little piece of Christmas ham on top of it. Maybe a few chives as garnish. There you go. And if you've seen our neighbors, the Danes are excellent at creating really wonderful, spectacular, open-faced sandwiches. So you could definitely check them out, see what they're up to. Now that my bread is a little bit toasted, I'm just going to add a little bit of margarine on it. You could certainly use butter as well. And I'm going to add a piece of the Finlandia Lappi cheese here. This Finlandia Lappi cheese, very similar to Gouda. It's very mild in flavor. Not at all nutty like Swiss cheese is. So now I'm going to return these to the toaster just for a little bit so the cheese can get a little melty. So while my cheese is melty, I'm just going to carve off a piece of ham to put in the sandwich. In some ways, this reminds me of a Cuban sandwich. Now our cheese has melted a little, so I'm just going to add a couple pieces of this ham on top. And let's put a couple bread and butter pickles on top of it as well. And let's spread the mustard around. There we go. And here we have it. And here we go, 3 Finnish leftover Christmas ham sandwiches for Christmas morning. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time on Finish Your Plate.